Hello ladies and gentlemen, and we're excited because we're in front of this great listing in the community of Foothill Ranch, the city of Lake Forest, backing up to the beautiful Saddleback Mountains in South Orange County. The address is 37 Camarin. 37 Camarin features 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths, a downstairs bedroom, and a teen room or workstation. Let's go inside and take a look. So as you enter the property, first thing you notice are the 2-story ceilings. Loads of windows are bringing natural light into this formal living room and formal dining room area. The house has been freshly painted, custom new carpeting. From the downstairs area, we also travel into a downstairs bedroom with a full bath and a laundry room. This is all very convenient for out-of-town guests. So I just love the open kitchen, great center island, breakfast nook, Corian countertops, double oven. And then from the kitchen, we travel into the family room. This is a spacious area. Now, what a lot of people have done to modernize this unit is to fill in these media niches and put a large widescreen TV here. So from the family room, we travel upstairs. Let's go take a look at the upstairs area. At the top of the landing, we make a right into the primary suite. Primary suite has high ceilings, again, freshly painted, brand new carpeting, nice large windows looking out into the lush greenbelt outside. And then we have the adjacent bathroom. Let's take a look at that. So as we exit the primary suite, we come past the landing and the staircase into this teen room area, workstation area. Remember, you've got 5 bedrooms plus this area. And so it's a very versatile area. Then we have bedrooms number 3, 4, and 5, and then a secondary bathroom that has dual sinks and a separate door into the shower area. This is a great living space upstairs. So here, take a look at this backyard. I can imagine a big pool, a slide. You've got privacy because you back up to a greenbelt, barbecue, alfresco dining. This is perfect. So if you're looking for a house in Southern California that has 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, downstairs bedroom, a teen room, this is a house for you. Get a hold of your agent, make an offer. Good luck, be safe.